Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to run Chkdsk in Windows 10 and explain how this built-in tool helps find and fix disk errors on your computer. Step 1. Click on the Windows 10 search icon located on the taskbar and type CMD. This helps you quickly find the command prompt, which is the tool needed to run system-level commands. Step 2. From the search results, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is important because Chkdsk needs full administrative permission to scan and repair disk errors. Step 3. When the User Account Control window appears, click Yes to allow administrator access. This confirms that you trust the app and want it to make changes to your system. Step 4. In the Command Prompt window, carefully type Chkdsk and then press the Enter key. This command tells Windows to check the C drive and automatically fix any file system errors it finds. Step 5. If you see a message saying the volume is in use, press the Y key and then press Enter. This schedules the disk check to run the next time your computer starts. Step 6. After scheduling the scan, close the Command Prompt window. At this point, all required commands have already been set. Step 7. Restart your computer so the Chkdsk scan can run automatically during startup. This allows Windows to check the drive before it is fully loaded and in use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.